Hi, welcome to the Hills View Active Living Center. My name's Matt, and today, as part of our food program provided by the LHIN, we're going to be making Canadian cheese soup. This recipe was sent to me by Rick Chambers, and it looks really good. For this recipe, you only need a few ingredients. You need chicken stock, some bacon, this is optional but highly recommended, some cream, shredded carrot, cheese, diced onion, shredded potato, and some celery. So first we're going to start with our potato. We're going to put that in the dish here. We're going to add your onion, celery, and carrot. You're going to add your water. And then we're going to mix it all up. We're going to put the lid on, and then we're going to put it in the microwave for 17 minutes on high. We're going to stop halfway through to give it a stir. Okay, halfway through, we're going to take it out and stir it. Careful, it's probably hot. You're cooking the potatoes until they're nice and tender. And then you just put it back in and let it keep going. Once that's done, we're going to take it out. We're going to give it a stir. The potatoes are nice and tender at this point. We're going to add our cream and our chicken stock. Give that a stir. And then we're going to put it back in for 6 minutes on about 70% power. When it's done, we're going to take it out. Again, give it a stir. And then we're going to mix in our cheese. And our bacon. And we're going to stir until the cheese is melted. Once it's nicely mixed, you can add salt and pepper to taste. And there you have it, Canadian cheese soup. It's super simple, done in the microwave, and tastes delicious. Enjoy!